I'm Daniel, and this is my family team from Secure Supplies. We have preserved and rebuilt green technologies actively around the world now for over 18 years. The water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission. Click the subscribe button now to join our technology releases and updates every Monday. And consider buying a ticket to the show by pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon tech training releases every Friday.
We've now taken the liberated gases. We are now starting to expose it to a high voltage field, and we are now starting to bring the combustible gas atoms into a destabilized state. Now in our technology, when you burn hydrogen and oxygen by itself, it's releasing that energy around 2.5 times that of gasoline. But there's a tremendous amount of energy in water, and the key was, how do you tap into it?
updates already. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. Details are in the description. Roadster, supercar, or a yacht builder, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the consultant there in the description.